If you are wondering if we can experience overheating issues on a Samsung Galaxy A57, then the answer seems to be no. Thankfully, of course. I've been using this phone for a couple of days. I've been trying to do some things, some tasks on this phone that are usually demanding for a smartphone, like for example a benchmark. And of course, usually during a benchmark, the temperature of the device rises up to a high, sometimes very high temperature. In this case, the phone managed to keep the temperature in a pretty low value um, pretty well. And of course, you can still feel sometimes when the phone gets a little bit warmer, but it's just like warm. It's not really hot like it is the case of other smartphones. So you can definitely tell when the phone is trying to, increase the performance to keep up with the task and so on and so forth. This is, of course, especially felt, and you can definitely notice it while playing games. But I can tell that the phone handles the heat pretty well, or at least the distribution of heat maybe, or maybe the CPU is just well optimized for this phone, and the phone doesn't get hot. It gets warm, of course, that's pretty standard, normal, uh, but it is not overheating at all. At least I personally didn't experience any heating issues whatsoever on this device. So that's, of course, a very good thing. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.